Hey guys, welcome to Live Blogger. Today in this video we are going to talk about why blogging is popular nowadays and top 5 reasons to start your own blog. So let's get started. Blogging is so popular that it has become the main profession of many bloggers. There are many people in this field who just started blogging as a hobby, but now it has become the main source of income for them. And some are for professional causes like digital marketing, e-commerce product selling, etc. There are thousands of ways to earn money online, but blogging is one of the popular sources. Everyone likes to make their passion as their main source of income, and that's the reason blogging has become more popular these days. Now let's talk about the 5 reasons to start your own blog. Number 1. Blogging is perfect when you want to share your knowledge and experience. These days, many people are helping others on different platforms through their knowledge and experience. In blogging, you can earn money from helping others by just sharing your skills. Many people are realizing this and promoting themselves through blogs. For example, if you are working as a website developer and you have worked for many companies, then you can share your working experience with different companies through the blog. This will definitely increase your number of leads and will definitely attract the audience who are searching for the website development. Number 2. Blogging is the best way to promote products and services. If you are looking to promote your product or any services, then blogging is the best platform. Blogging is the way where you can attract clients or customers to promote or sell your products, and you can also expand your business through online store. If you have a great strategy, then you can easily convert your local business and product into a brand. This will help to collaborate with other big companies and you will also earn a good amount of revenue. Number 3. Blogging can help you to be a best author. By writing on your favorite topic every day will help you to improve your writing skills and also increase your thinking capacity. If you write a blog on your own, then you can publish any article on your blog for readers. There is no need to hire any content writer and pay for it. Once you become a good content writer, then it will help you to gain more traffic as well as more followers to engage with your website. Number 4. Blogging helps you to express your thoughts. There are many social media platforms available to express your opinions, but there are some obligations in it. In blogging, you can create your own platform where you can express your views on various issues in your own way. You can also become a popular person by regularly expressing your opinions on different topics. Number 5. Blogging is one of the best sources to make money online. The main reason behind the popularity of blogging is you can generate a good amount of money from blogs by placing ads. There are many opportunities to make money from blogging, but for that you will require a lot of hard work and patience. Let's see some popular ways to make money from blogging. Number 1. AdSense. Google AdSense is an advertising program run by Google and it is one of the main sources of earning for many bloggers. If you want to know more about AdSense, we have already made a video on this topic. You can watch it, the link is given in the description. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. Another way of earning money from blogging is affiliate marketing. In this, you promote other people's product or services and make money out of it. If you want to know more about affiliate marketing, we have also made a video on this topic. You can watch it, the link is given in the description. Okay, so that's all for today's video. If you want us to keep posting such useful content related to blogging and YouTube, then please do not forget to leave a like, comment, and do subscribe to our channel.